Well, we saw more light rain showers across the region today. Temperatures were above those averages also, as we saw more of the 40s for afternoon highs, just like yesterday with a high of 42 here in Marquette. Our low was at 32 degrees, and look at our normal values in the upper 20s and the lower teens. So once again, we're seeing more of these above average temperatures, getting closer to records too. 50 degrees for our record back in the year of 1990. We were only 8 degrees off of that, and you can see the record low was at -9. So, well, we weren't really threatening that one at all. Sunrise now at 8:22 a.m. and it sets at 5:03 p.m. Now, here's a look at today's highs, and yes, a few of us did actually reach the 50s. Munising, Manistee, both at 50 degrees, 47 in Iron Mountain, 44 in Marquette, and at 45 in Ontonagon, while at 46 in Houghton. We are expecting slightly cooler air to come in as we go throughout the evening, and on into our Friday, we should be cooler with highs only expected in the 30s. Now, a lot of us will see more of a warm-up, though, as we head into the weekend, so it doesn't last for long. We get the cooler air in, get it back out, but heading into next week, it starts to change for us quite a bit. We'll take a look at that later here in the segment. But right now, winds are coming out of the south at 8 in Escanaba, 3 in Houghton, and at 3 miles per hour in Ironwood. Well, looking at our headlines, the light rain will possibly mix in with a few of those lighter snow showers as we go throughout the remainder of the night. Not expecting any huge impacts from it, just falling from the sky, probably melting as it hits the surface. But mostly cloudy as we go into the afternoon on Friday. Once again, maybe a slight chance of a sprinkle or a flake falling from the sky. And more rain is on the way as we get into the weekend. We'll get a break heading into, it looks like, Friday night. But on into the weekend, rain chances pick up just a bit more on Saturday and then really pick up as we head into our Saturday night and on into our Sunday. But here's a look at our setup right now. Area of low pressure continues to work its way eastward. Behind that will be that slightly cooler air mass as the cold front makes its way east into the area. But spotty snow showers start to break out across North Dakota and northern Minnesota. For us, we're not going to be seeing any of that. We should be mild once again, with temperatures making their way into the upper 30s and the lower 40s on Friday. And the jet stream really begins to buckle and work its way northward, so that will allow milder air mass to come in yet again. Look at the severe weather down into the southern states. For us, it will just be rainfall as it works its way into the region before eventually it will move just a bit eastward, and we'll start to see a chance of rain and snow on into our Monday. Your Futurecast model for us this evening, we're expecting the light rain to continue on and off, but yes, also see with that cool air interacting with the moisture, chance of seeing some of that snow, especially as we go late into tonight and early into tomorrow morning. But primarily an overcast day for us on Friday. We'll head into Saturday with very scattered chances of rain before chances will pick up for us heading into Saturday evening, Saturday night, and on into Sunday, expecting the system to ride northward with more of the rainfall. You'll notice that they'll be looking out for more of that snowfall into northern Minnesota. They'll be seeing some of that accumulating snowfall. But for us tonight, not expecting any accumulating snowfall, just very little if we do see any, with temperatures dropping into the lower 30s at 32 degrees. Winds out of the southwest between 5 to 15 miles per hour. Now into your Friday, it will be an overcast day with an isolated chance of a sprinkle or a flake. Winds out of the northwest at 5 to 15. Highs in those upper 30s in Lawrence and in Houghton. Lower 40s as you go farther south into Crystal Falls and in Iron Mountain. 42 in Escanaba, also seeing the lower 40s in Munising. And here in Marquette, it looks like we're going to top off at 37 degrees. But on into tomorrow night, expecting that, yes, maybe a slight chance of a snowflake possibly in the region, but not expecting high chances at all, as we'll be very limited with moisture over the next couple of days. But we are going to see cooler temperatures before warming back up into Sunday, and that's when our better rain chances will arrive at 50%, with highs in the mid to upper 40s. Now Monday, we'll start to cool those numbers back off yet again, as rain and snow mix is possible for us, seeing more of that cooler air into the latter portions of next week, as we'll drop all the way down to 31 degrees for our high, which is not quite back to normal, but it's getting much closer than where we are right now, and that low will start to drop closer to normal, also down to 17.